This is CUBOT Note 9, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we will go to the settings and enter the display the display category and expand the available screen timeout values, we'll realize that the maximum or the highest we can go by default means of the system is 30 minutes. Therefore, if you would like to set this feature to never, set its value to never, of course, we will need to use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and install this application. Now we can just go ahead and launch the app, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, I said active and running, I've just accidentally stopped it. As long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.